Alright, so this is a video to just help show more clear proof against my dispute against GeoSurf. I'm trying to make this as clear as possible for you guys because it is so annoying and irritating to spend $500 on a service and nothing is working. So in this case, I spent $500 to use their proxies and none of their proxies are working for me. They are all banned. So this has just really been annoying. Like I said, please contact me if you need any more proof or any more information because this has just been a real hassle and is very annoying. So just to start off, so this is GeoSurf right here, and it claims they have residential IP proxy network. They have 2 million plus IPs in every country and every city in the entire world, you know, and if you can go to their use cases, and you can see they have sneaker residential proxies, which is what I'm interested in. And if you go here, they have, you know, residential IPs for Supreme sneakers, and they also have it for Nike sneakers, and so this is what I'm looking for to use for sneaker proxies, and I'm trying to use them on the site Adidas, which is my sole intention. I want to use them for Adidas, and it says right here, all my proxies are blocked. What should I do? Well, they're saying, come buy from us. You know, first, you shouldn't worry because with GeoSurf residential IP package, you can't get blocked, never ever. All of our residential IPs, 2 million and still counting, are 100% anonymous, unblockable, untraceable, and we guarantee 99% uptime with rotating IPs. So, with that being said, I wanted to buy in, use their proxies for Adidas. And I did, and obviously they are not working at all. They are all banned and not working on Adidas, so they are no use to me at all. Their customer support is just awful. They're not trying to, you know, refund me at all. They just keep saying things to like stall it out, like, oh, we're trying to figure out, you know, on your end what the problem is and all this stuff, and it's just really frustrating. I just want a refund from them. I want my money back. So I want to first show you now how they're not working. So as you can see here from a support message or a support person, he is from GeoSurf. This is just confirming, you know, how to use the proxies, which I already knew how, but I confirmed from him anyway. They're still banned, but I want to show you guys just so you know I'm showing you right. So it says you use this gateway US-1 and then you use a port number. And here is a picture of some, and it's just gateway, which is always the same, and then the port numbers are the only thing that changes. So if I go into my user dashboard, first thing I want to show you is you can see that I have $494 left of the 500, so it's not like I burned through it all. I've used $6 just to try to get the proxies working, no success at all. And you can see I want the USA proxies right here. So here is that US-1 port, or gateway, and we can use port numbers between 8230 and 10230. So over here I have a proxy tester, and I'm going to paste in the gateway, and then I'm going to add some random port numbers after. So we'll do something like 8752, and then we'll paste again and do like 9512, do another one and do like 9736, and then we'll do a random one in the tens. We have up to 230, so we'll do 10, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so you can see I have put in all of them, and I'm going to test for Adidas because that is clearly what I am using them for, and that is all I need them for. And this takes a second to show the results, but I'm going to keep it here so that doesn't look like I took it off the screen or anything. I can show you guys the whole time what's happening. You're going to see that it comes back with bright red saying how the proxy is not working, does not work for Adidas, and therefore, you know, they're no use to me at all. And so I just want my money back from them. And so you can see the first one came in, it's a bad proxy. The second one came in, it's a bad proxy. They are not working. So now, while we wait for the other two, I want to show you another way just to show they're not working. So if I go into my proxy settings, I am able to switch my IP that I surf the web with. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you the my IP. You can see it's 69.176 ... So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch it to where I'm surfing the internet with one of their proxies. So I'm going to paste it in. I'll add a random port. I'll click OK. I'll click OK. And now if I go back over here and refresh it, I now have a different IP address, 67, because I'm surfing with their IP. So I can go to a website like YouTube, and you can see it loads it up right away. Everything works. Here I am on YouTube. You know, I can go back to Google, whatever it is, I can surf the internet. But right when I try to go to Adidas, so here I am typing in Adidas, I click enter, adidas.com, nothing loads. It shows the loading sign in the top that is trying to load Adidas, but it will not connect and load to Adidas because it's a bad proxy and will not work. So you can see, I try to go to Adidas and nothing works at all. But now what I can do is I can go back into these settings. I can take off surfing from their proxy. Delete all this out. Okay. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to search my IP again. And you can see it comes back to the 6.9. So we're back to my original IP address. And now if I search Adidas, it goes right to Adidas. Very fast. And so clearly, you know, their proxies aren't working. They can't connect to Adidas. It's really, really frustrating. Just to go back to this, you can see that now all 4 of them have loaded. All of them are bad proxies. I randomly just chose 4, and I randomly chose 1 to surf. Nothing is connecting to Adidas. You know, it's just the product is 0 value to me at all. So I just want a refund, please. You know, and like I said, please contact me if you need any more proof or information or anything at all, because this has just been very frustrating trying to deal with their support and all that. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I know it's been pretty long, and you know, thanks.